In this video, I'm going to be breaking down some of my personal favorite travel gear and essential items that you can find on Amazon. Hey guys, it's Allie from Away Together, and what I've learned over the course of our travels is that good gear is essential. Whether you're going on a trip yourself soon or you're looking to gift something to a traveler in your life, these products have been used and personally recommended by me. If you're watching during the holiday season, there's a high chance that some of these items are on sale, so hit the links in the description below to see if you can get any good deals on these items. The first product that I'm going to recommend is a dual purpose hairstyling tool. This Launch Duo Airflow Styler is a 2-in-1 straightener and curling wand. So you can see it has a clip, but it also has a barrel for you to straighten or curl your hair. The great thing about this product is that it has multiple heat settings, so you can change the temperature and fluctuation of how hot or cold the item is. It also has an airflow function to help set styles, but also it's really compact and convenient compared to the size of other like curling wands or airbrushes on the market. So I found that this fit in my bag and also gave me some flexibility in terms of what hairstyle I could do any given day. The next item that needs to be on every single traveler's list is a good toiletry bag. I'll tell you, I have tested so many toiletry bags. I feel like for a couple of years, every trip I was packing for, I was testing out a new toiletry bag. And recently I had a TSA Liquids video where the internet called me out on my toiletry bag being too big. So I recently changed to this Tripped Travel Gear toiletry bag. This toiletry bag has a lot of great components to it that make it a perfect addition to your bag. First and foremost, like all good toiletry bags should have, it has a hook on the back which allows you to hang it in the bathroom to give yourself counter space and allows you for easy access for your items. Additionally, it's got this mesh panel on the outside with a zipper, so you have room for other items on the outside of the bag that maybe you want quick access to. When you open up the bag, it has great zipper quality, but it also folds out, so you can see here. There's just a lot of ways that you can organize, a lot of different compartments to put your toiletries in. Additionally, probably my favorite aspect is that your toiletry bag for your liquids actually comes out of the toiletry bag separately, so that when you're going through security, you don't have to worry about them shuffling through all of your toiletries. All of your liquids go into this bag. It meets TSA requirements for 311. It's 1 quart. So you just throw this into the bin and you're ready to go through security check. I have the pink version. Nick's got the gray version. This bag comes in 5 different colors so it can fit your personality. So this is a great choice if you're looking for a new toiletry bag or looking for a gift for a traveler. And thank you to Tripped Travel Gear for sponsoring a portion of this video. So this next item may seem pretty obvious, but you're gonna want a good travel hairbrush. My personal favorite is this mini Tangle Teeser. As you can tell, it's very loved. It's probably pretty gross to look at, but I've been using this for a couple of years now. It's hard plastic, so it can get banged around in my bag. The bristles are really flexible, so I'm not worried about them breaking. It's versatile, it's compact. They say small but mighty. It gets the job done. All right, the next item is another somewhat obvious travel item that you are going to need to pack into your bag, and that is a toothbrush, because everyone needs to pack a toothbrush and brush their teeth twice a day. My favorite is the Philips One by Sonicare, and for a couple of reasons, but the main one is that it comes in its own handy travel case. So you pop open this flap and the toothbrush just pops right out. You don't have to worry about those kind of gross small plastic tips or like putting your toothbrush into a Ziploc bag. I've seen that trick before. There's a hole in the back of the case to help it drain so that it can dry if you have to be in a hurry and throw your wet toothbrush into a bag. Some other cool components to this is that the heads of the toothbrush are actually replaceable. It's battery operated and electric. The battery power is very long. This has lasted me for a 6-month trip without having to replace the batteries. So the battery life is pretty significant, and there's lots of colors to choose from. So you can add some style and personality with your toothbrush choice. So this is my holy grail item. This comes with me on every single trip that I take. This is a multi-purpose hairstyling product that has allowed me to cut down on the number of hairstyling items that I have to pack in my TSA bag. It's the Olaplex No. 6 Bond Smoother. This product hydrates, strengthens, it cuts down on blow dry time, it helps with frizz. Basically, this product does it all. And it already comes in a handy 3.3 ounce bottle, so it fits TSA's liquids rule without having to put it into an additional container. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, please hit the like button. And if you want to see more content like this, subscribe to our channel. This next item is for individuals who are avid jewelry wearers. So if you like to travel with jewelry, this item is for you. It took me quite a bit of time to figure out how to bring my necklaces and my earrings on trips without them getting tangled together. And this item was a lifesaver. It is a travel jewelry organizer. Now, there are a lot of different types of jewelry travel organizers on Amazon. The reason I like this item in particular is that it folds flat, so it's really compact and saves space in your bag versus other variations that are more boxy. So if you open this up, it almost is like a tri-fold portfolio where you have multiple compartments for necklaces, zippers for bracelets, and then earring compartments. Additionally, each compartment has a zipper to protect the items that are inside of it. And as you can see, there's a lot of functional storage for rings and earrings. So you can bring lots and lots of jewelry in this, and it still fits really compact into your bag. Super functional and a great way to travel with your jewelry without the hassle of it getting all tangled together. The next item that I always recommend for travelers is to make sure that they pack a good pair of sunglasses. This is one of those items that kind of just comes up last minute and you're like, oh yeah, I need sunglasses. I need to make sure to bring those. It's honestly so easy to forget that that is a travel essential. So I'm gonna recommend 2 different pairs depending on what price range you like to play in. My personal favorite and recommendation is a good pair of high quality Ray-Bans. They're on the higher price end. The quality is really great. I've had this pair of Clubmasters for 6 years. No scratches. They're still in great condition. With Ray-Bans, you can get polarized, you can get prescription. They're just great quality sunglasses, but if you're one of those individuals that just cannot be trusted with a pair of expensive sunglasses without losing them, another brand that you could consider is Key. Key is an Australian brand. They're a little bit more affordable. They're usually around $50. You can find them on sale quite often. They come in a lot of really cool styles. This particular style here is kind of square, a really cool orange color. I've had these for quite a long time as well. But either way, depending on if you go high end or low end, you want to make sure that you have a pair of sunglasses for your trip. You don't want to get caught on a sunny beach without having some type of eye protection. Make sure that you prioritize and pack a pair of good sunglasses. This next product is an item that I highly recommend for solo female travelers. This portable door lock is an easy and convenient way to add extra security at the location that you're staying in. It's very easy to use and it fits most doors. The great thing about this item is once it's in place, individuals cannot get into the room even if they have a key from the outside. So thinking about like Airbnb properties, this is a great way for additional security. Honestly, Nick and I have not used this all that often, but in the instances that we have used it, it has helped us feel more secure. It just gives you a peace of mind that you are safe in the environment that you're staying in. So this is a great addition to your travel bag, and it's very small and compact, so it's not going to take up a lot of room, but give you really big benefits in terms of security. This next item is honestly an item that Nick would tell me is not essential to have in the bag, but I always pack this item, which is a compact lint roller. This Flint lint roller is retractable and refillable. So if you run out of lint sheets, you can add in a refill pack. This is also great if you do a lot of business travel and you want to make sure that you can get lint off your clothes really easily. It's a great stocking stuffer just based on size. I honestly think that I got this in a stocking a couple of years ago. Thanks, Mom. Basically the only compact travel size based lint roller that I found that works really well. So I always keep this plus some refill packs on hand for when I'm getting ready for travels. Physical books are great. They're not always efficient for a traveler who's limited on space. That's why I highly recommend the Kindle Paperwhite for travelers that are avid readers. The Kindle Paperwhite is lightweight, it's very compact and small. The battery life lasts a really long time, and the display allows you to read in any type of light. So you can be reading outside, on a plane, in the hotel room when it's dark. This product is great for avid readers. Additionally, it has some waterproof capabilities. So you could take this to the beach, get it slightly wet, it's gonna do fine, it's gonna wipe off. And it just allows for easy access to books because you can download them directly onto this Kindle. So, you know, if you finish a book, you can move on to the next one while you're still on your trip versus being tied to a physical book. I don't have to go on and sell this product. A lot of people know what the Kindle Paperwhite is, but it's definitely been a game changer for me in terms of how much I'm able to actually read on our trips. So that is my latest list of travel essentials that you can get on Amazon. What are some of your favorite travel essentials? Please let us know in the comments below. And thanks again to Trip Travel Gear for sponsoring a portion of this video.